Good morning! Welcome back to the channel. Gigising ko lang. So today is Saturday. I will be making cheesy toast for the kids and myself. Tara, cook it with me. Mabilis lang ito gagawin. Need lang is itong bread, itong butter. May leftover ako na mozzarella. Parmesan. Ano bang cheese to? Some cheddar. Yan. Para maubos na siya. So, ito yung gagamitin nating pan. Yan natin. Wala tayong hugasan kasi hugas ako ng plato kagabi bago matulog. I'm going to do, kasi tatlo lang naman kami. Kuha tayo ng tatlong pares. Yan, kabit. The kids love this one. Ginagawa ko to. Masaya sila sa breakfast. Parang ulit. Medyo masikip to sa pan ko, but it's okay. Yan, sarili nila. So, crowded sila dyan, but it's fine. Maluluto din naman sila dyan. Well, niluluto niya yan. Saglit. Magsaslice tayo ng butter. Kunti lang naman yung kailangan natin. Frozen kasi yan eh. Sa ating maglalagay din ako etong yung talagang ginagamit namin pang ang butter, ginagamit ko lang yun pang luto lang very light. Kuha lang tayo ng ating spatula, bali-baliktad natin sila ng kabilaan. May lamang. And we're gonna add this one. Iinit na rin tayo ng ating water. All of them golden brown. So medyo nag-golden brown na siya. And while waiting, prepare na tayo ng ating magkakape ako, tapos yung kids Milo. Normally guys, the kids would Milo naman. Ano siya? And yummy! Nescafe. Sugar. So, pinatay ko ng ating cook kasi nga, pwede na yan. Para makapag-breakfast na tayo. There's 1, there's 2, and 3. Yay! Kids! See, nandito na ang taga-kain. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Say good morning, anak.
Morning.
That's coffee. Naman siya dyan. Yung isa dun, meron akong nalagay na sobraan ng cheese, pero hindi ko alam kung saan. I think it would be, hopefully it's mine. Yan, so tingnan natin. Ayun. I think it's mine. Also lots of cheese. Okay tayo guys.
Goodness.
I think I got the price.
Ayun nga. Wow. Dami cheese. Isa. Bao. Yan ka naman no? Breakfast kami. Pag may mga leftover, especially sa bread. Or minsan, kasi nga, hindi namin sila matiis. Every kain, parang alam nila na may hati sila dun sa pagkain namin.
He looked like Paddington.
You know Paddington, right?
The bear.
Paddington was not a dog, right?
It's a bear.
Oh yeah, it's a bear. Guys, ang sarap nung... How do you call it, anak? Cheesy toast?
Cheesy toast. Grilled cheese.
Oh, grilled cheese. Ang sarap niya, guys. Anong lasa niya? Ano siya nakakaumay? Hati natin. Ate Sky will have it. Tapos yung kahati kayo. Next time, I'm gonna make it with the one I had in the airport. It comes with a nice salad. It's very healthy. Diba? Kasi ako nun sa airport, guys. So, ganyan siya, parang grilled cheese. Pero yun naman, totally grilled talaga siya. Hindi siya parang pinirito. Tapos may kasama siyang lettuce, green stuff, mga healthy stuff. Like, ano dal? Hindi man lang pinatikim nung luto ni Mami. Psst. Sama ng tingin, no? So, and guys, empty na yung kanilang dog machine food. So, tara, mag-refill tayo. Wala nang laman. So, ito yung kanilang food. Ayan. So, ito yung food nila for like 8 years na. Pwede refill ko na lang itong natira. So, I have like 3 machines. So, lalagyan natin. Ayan. So, this one guys, yung machine nila, in case you wonder, this is Rojico Smart Feeder Machine. And so, pwede siyang disaksak, pwede ring debate kapag ayaw niyong isaksak. So, ito, it's my best purchase ever na gadget for my dogs. Kasi nga, talagang totally worth it siya. Kasi ito, parang nasa 3,000 each siya. So, basically, it's a little bit pricey. But, knowing na 7 years to 8 years ko na itong ginagamit. So, sulit na sulit talaga. Until now, perfectly working. So, yun lang. Medyo madumi siya kasi hindi ko nalinis. But, you just have to linis it. So, like, every week, I would refill this. So, parang yung isang machine na to, parang siguro sabihin natin, nasa 1.2 kilo yung nalalagay dito. But hindi ko na pinakilo. Basta, inupuno ko na lang siya. So, let's go to the other one. The other one, problem na na-encounter ko dito sa machine. Sa machine na to is when you don't, so you know when you refill it. Ito, dito, pag na-refill mo siya tapos after hindi mo siya sinarado ng maayos. Nag-aabang na. Pag di mo siya sinara ng maayos, magtatawag siya ng mga langgam. But it keeps the dog food fresh kasi meron siyang ano dyan sa loob. And so, make sure ko lagi na masasarap siya. So, this is the third one. Ay, may naman pa. And guys, nag-aabang na ang ating mga dogs kasi hindi ko alam kung na-memorize na yung time ng feeding nila. But I'm just gonna show you quickly itong app na itong machine natin. So, it's called Rojico. Ikita niyo ba? Many years yung hindi agad nasisira. I will be going to put the link down below dyan sa description ng aming video. So if you want to purchase one as well. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching for our morning routine and breakfast and so on. See you on my next vlog.